Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Coventry local and long distance movers near me. A long distance relocation covers and exceeds a distance of 50 miles. The safety and security of our clients is our priority whenever we make long distance relocations. With the relationship we have with authorities in charge of the moving process and the insurance policies we provide to clients, we ensure that we protect our clients effectively from all hazards that can occur on the road. We will also help you settle down quickly into your new home. You can trust us on that. We have the best local movers you will find in Coventry. They are professionals dedicated to their duty of relocating clients with ease. We also offer clients affordable local moving services, as low as $30 to $40 every hour. You can trust the excellence of our moving packages, best reported by the members of the local community who have enjoyed the benefits of our presence over the years. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Coventry moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.